Hello, this is Abraham. Today you'll learn more stuff on variables. So let's start with conventions on naming your variable. So here's a rule from PEP 8, the official style guide for Python code. Variable names should be lowercase with words separated by underscores as necessary to improve readability. So what do we mean by that? So we should have some variable name. Let's say my variable name is canvas width, and as you can see, like word and another word separated by comma, and words with lowercase. So this is also called snake case. Snake case is defined by like word or more in lowercase separated by underscores. Other thing I want to discuss in this video is how to assign multiple variables to multiple values. So for example, let's have the same example, for example, canvas width, and I want another variable. Let's call it canvas height, and I want this to be the width to be 1280 and the height to be 720. So this will assign canvas width to the first value, which is 1280, and the canvas height to 72. So yeah, respectively. So now if I want to see canvas width, it will be 1280. The same thing goes for canvas height. It will be 720. So you could also assign multiple variables to the same value. So let's suppose I have x, y, and z, and I want to assign them to the same value. I will do the assignment operator in each variable name and assign it to some value. So something like this: x equals y equals z equals 5. So now when I want to see, x would be 5, y would be 5, z would be 5. And last thing is how to output your variable. This is essential because we're now working in a shell. We are just typing the variable name and hitting enter, and it will output the value for me. But if you are working with a text editor, that would not be the case. So you need to print it somehow, and there's actually a print function, built-in function. You just type print parentheses and what's the variable or the thing you want to print. So I can print, for example, z, or print multiple variables and separate them by comma. So for example, x, y, and z. So this will print x, y, and z. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please give me feedback. Your feedback is important. So again, thanks for watching.